Title: Top 5 Side Hustles to Earn Money Fast. Intro: You're looking for ways to earn some extra money on the side, and you want to do it fast. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 side hustles that can help you earn money quickly. These are ideas that can be started with little to no initial investment, and they're suitable for people with different skill levels and schedules. Selling unwanted items. Let's start with something simple. Decluttering your home can be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can sell unwanted items on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. To get started, take some clear photos of the items you want to sell and write a detailed description of their condition. Set a competitive price based on similar items for sale online. Be prepared to answer questions from potential buyers and have a secure way to accept payments. Freelance writing. If you have strong writing skills, you can offer your services as a freelance writer. You can write articles, blog posts, or website content for clients. To get started, create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Showcase your portfolio and specify the types of writing projects you're interested in taking on. Be prepared to pitch your ideas and negotiate rates with clients. Online surveys. Another option is to earn money by taking online surveys. You can sign up with survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. These platforms connect you with businesses that need feedback from consumers. You'll earn points or rewards for each survey you complete, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you love animals, consider offering pet care services. You can walk dogs, take care of cats, or even provide overnight pet sitting. Use platforms like Rover or Care.com to find clients. Make sure to have a plan in place for emergencies and be prepared to provide references. Selling handmade products. If you have a crafty side, consider selling handmade products. You can use platforms like Etsy or Redbubble to showcase and sell your items. Be sure to take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions of your products. Consider offering custom orders or bundles to increase sales. Delivering food or packages. Finally, consider working as a delivery driver. You can sign up with companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. These platforms connect you with customers who need food or package delivery. Be prepared to work flexible hours and have a reliable vehicle. Conclusion: that's it for our top 5 side hustles to earn money fast. Remember, these ideas require effort and dedication, but they can be started with little to no initial investment. Take the first step today and start earning extra money on the side. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content, and leave a comment below with your favorite side hustle idea.